them. Yeah. Well, the first one is Nollaig. And Nollaig is Christmas.
And it's Christmas. Yeah.
Nollaig. Christmas. Blenur or Blene Ur. That's me. Bodach Nollaig.
It's Father Christmas.
Yes, that's right.
What
Bodach.
does Bodach mean? Literally?
Bodach means an old man.
Okay, okay.
So there is actually a separate word for an old man in Gaelic. So Bodach Nollaig. This is a genitive case. Nollaig is a feminine noun. So that's why it's na, and ideally there is an e there as well, but people lose it. So the proper genitive with Christmas is na Nollaig. So there should be an e here, but that's people are too lazy to say it. So Bodach Nollaig. Okay, Craobh Nollaig. It could also be Craobh Nollaig. Okay, but again, people are too lazy to do it. Craobh Nollaig. No, Craobh, you know the word. Nollaig, you know the word. Christmas tree. So, Nollaig Chrial. Nollaig Chrial. So,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So that comes from Krie, which is heart. So hearty Christmas.
Right.
Okay. Merry Christmas. Okay. Blene va ur. Blene va ur. Okay. Happy New Year. It's just the usual thing. That's how people say it. Happy New Year. Okay. Now, Oidhche Challain. Oidhche Challain. The Oidhche Challain is New Year's Eve. Okay, New Year's Eve. Challain being a personal name somehow. So Oidhche Challain. Okay. So it was celebrated in a totally different way before. It was similar to Roman as well, so the way the Romans celebrated it. New Year's Eve, when they dressed up and went around houses singing these songs, little songs, and asking for food, for sweets and things like this. Okay. So this was the traditional until recently, maybe even now in the Western Isles. Yeah. Okay. And then there were other interesting traditions as well, like chasing the devil out. So somebody played the devil and they chased him out.
Yeah.
So Marag Nollaig. Marag Nollaig. And that's Christmas pudding.
Yeah.
Marag is a word for pudding.
Marag.
So, for example, Marag Gu is black pudding, and Marag Yal is white pudding, and Marag Nollaig is Christmas pudding. It's a feminine word, that's why it's Marag Gu and Marag Yal. Okay, so Christmas pudding. Next one. Bodach Challain. Bodach Challain. We already had the word Bodach today. Bodach Challain.
Okay, snowman.
No, snowman. So Challain is snow. Bodach Challain. Snowman. Okay, sled. Sled is sleigh. And then fé. We had the word fiag, but we didn't have the word fé yet. Fiag, deer, fé, deer, more than one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fé. Okay, this is how it goes on your Christmas card. Nollaig cria agus bliana fawr. So if you see any Celtic cards in the shops around there, nuts, you might have seen this. So sometimes they sell Gaelic cards and they have that.
All right. I haven't seen them actually. No.
No? No, charity shops sometimes have them.
Yeah, maybe they probably do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, presenten.
Please.
There are a couple more words for presents, but usually when it comes to Christmas presents, it's still presenten. Well, it's just like in English there is gift and there is present. So kind of, what's the difference? So, but when we talk about Christmas, it's usually Christmas presents. So in Gaelic, it's also present. Cearc Rangach. We had the word cearc today. So cearc Rangach, French chicken. It's a turkey. In English, it's turkey, so it's Turkish chicken. But in Gaelic, it's French chicken. Cearc Rangach. So the word cearc, as I've already mentioned, is feminine. So cearc Rangach. Okay. Fiachan. So fiachan is wreath. So the verb is to fear, which is also used for knitting.
Yeah.
So fiachan. That's a wreath. Okay. Culan. Culan is holly. Conial. Conial is candle. Okay, just little bits that you have around Christmas time.
Conial Nollaig.
Conial Nollaig. Yeah. Okay, this is mistletoe. Under the mistletoe, so Oidhche. Oidhche. So that's it. And this is genitive, so foscal and Oidhche. So the word in nominative is Oidhche. And if it's genitive, and so foscal, which is actually means shade, and Oidhche. So mistletoe, under the mistletoe. Okay. Cagelch, fireplace. Cagelch. Okay, quite a common word. Cagelch. Okay. And Solish Nollaig, many lights, Christmas lights. Okay. And the last word is English. Nobody is going there this year. English. English is church. Some people go to church at Christmas, some people don't, depending on your beliefs and traditions.